Hello there, everybody. Welcome to this very interesting video by the Drawing Marshmallows, but it's just me today, just Summer. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my animations. So I'm on flipaclip here, and all you gotta do is press this little plus button in the corner. And you just name your animation whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine, that. And then, if you want to change the background, you have to go to Choose Background. And they have some default ones you can pick from, some pretty nice ones. Or you can take one from your gallery. You can take one for the camera here. Or you just go to the bucket and you can just pick one, which I'm just going to pick this one. This is the frames per second, where I'm just going to put it to 6, but it doesn't matter. If you want it to be smoother, you can set it to a higher thing. And now we have the created project. Oop, that's weird. So, in order to use flipaclip, you have to make different frames. So the first frame we're going to do is going to say hi, because why not? And we have to copy that, so you go down to the frame right here at the bottom. You click the little 2 paper button, and then you have a clipboard that you need to click, and it copies it. And you keep doing that for about 6 times. Lovely. And you can click this little empty frame here, the plus button on it, to get a blank frame. We have the onion skin on at the top. Oops. Like the onion. We can turn that off if we want to. Anyways, moving on then. So then we're going to write humans. Hello, humans. And we're going to copy and paste that several times. There. So now whenever we push play on the side, we get hi, humans. Hi, humans, because it's on loop. But there you go. It's just hi, humans. Okay? Now, we can go to the brush over here if we want to change the color. You change it to literally whatever color you want. And you can change the brush too by clicking on the brush. You can choose the paintbrush, which is kind of big here. And then, and you can change the brush size with this button, the little circle, and you can just go up or down, choose how big of a brush size you want here. And then and that's it. That's pretty much the whole tutorial, guys. So, and there's also a text button, which you could just tap to enter text. You can add literally any text. So instead of writing it, you could just do it like that. But let's be honest, who has time for that? So there you go. There's a random thing. We also have different options, like this little sound button, which you can add audio. You can record audio here by holding in the press and record button. And then you can download audio if you have premium. So, I think that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys for watching this very, very short tutorial. Sorry about the ads, but that's just something that goes with the whole app and everything. So, yeah. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Make sure to subscribe if it was, and stay tuned for more videos by the Drawing Marshmallows. Bye!